Hi everyone, welcome to the discussion. So we are going to discuss the third question of this series. This is a sequence and series based concept. That is a geometric sequence given to us. First term is 50, fourth term is 86.4. We need to find the smallest value of n was such that the Sn is greater than 33,500. So which is Sn means sum to n terms of a geometric sequence. Right? So let's go with that. And the basic thing, we need to convert this all the given things into the known form. I know the general term. So general term of a geometric sequence is un is u1 first term times r power n minus 1. So this I know. I have two clues based on term, so I can apply it. First term, u1 is 50. Fine. And u4 is 86.4. Now I can make some relation. U1 is U4 can be written as U1 R power 3 because n minus 1, right? We are finding 4 means R cube equal 86.4. And we know what is R2, 50 R cube equal 86.4. And R cube is going to be 86.4 by 50. That's simple. So now we can use n solve in using GDC and we can find n or. Okay. After finding R, we will go with this inequality and we will solve this. Then we will find, okay, n will be an inequality and we need to fetch one smallest value out of it. So that's simple. Now we are going to solve for r. Right? We have the final equation that we have is r cube equals, so go for n solve. Numerical solve. So menu, then algebra, then numerical solve. Once you got the n solve, we got r cube equal to, so here we can use x cube, x power 3 equals, and there is a fraction, 86.4 divided by 50. 86.4 divided by 50. And then use a comma, then whatever the variable we are solving, it's based on x, so x. That's simple. When you click the enter, you will get the answer 1.2. So here I make r, but actually in our problem, it's r, right? So getting back to the problem, I got my r value and it is 1.2. This implies r is 1.2. Fine. Then smallest value of n, let's go here. Smallest value of n, Sn is greater than. So what is the Sn formula? Sn formula is u1 into whole bracket r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So this thing is greater than 33,500. And we need to solve this, like simplify this inequality. We need to fetch for n, and I know u1 and r, only one unknown is n. So it's very simple. Let's go here. So u1 is 50. So this implies 50, 1.2 power n minus 1 by 1.2 minus 1 is greater than 33,500. So you simplify as much as possible, then we can go back to n solve and simplify it. So 1.2 power n minus 1 divided by 1.2 minus 1 is 0.2, and there's a 50 over there, greater than 33,500. So 1.2 power n minus 1. So this will switch. 0.2 will get multiplied. 33,500 times 0.2 and 50 will go divide. Still I can simplify. 1.2 power n is greater than 33,500 times 0.2. Let it be. If we simplify, it will be better. When you solve all this, you will get 134 plus, and then the minus 1 will shift here, plus 1. Right? After this, you can either apply log or you can go with the GDC. Directly, you will get n value. Here we have an inequality. There we are going to use numerical solve. Like make this as equation. 1.2 the whole power equal 135 means what is n? Then you apply the inequality sign. That's simple. So let's get back to this, and this is our equation. 1.2 power n inequality 135. right? So let's solve here. Okay, so we need to go for n solve. And my equation is 1.2 power n. Then equal. I'm going to use equal. Actually, it is one inequality, but we can solve this later. And comma. Oh, I used n. So let it be n. And it's 26.905 equal. Okay. So n equals, because I solved an equation. Now there I'm going to apply n is greater than whatever the inequality sign I have. So n greater than 26.905, the stuff. You just copy it. N greater than 26.9 something. And now, what is n? N is greater than or equal to 27 because n is a positive integer. We are talking about the term. So it can't be a decimal. Greater than 26.9 means from 27, we can take this. And what is the smallest value? This is not accepted. They are particularly asking for the smallest value. So the smallest value is 27. Right? That's simple. Basic terms and SN formula of a GP, if you know, and just calculator working, we can fetch this result. That's simple. And thank you for listening.